NVTS Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. As I'm just briefly overviewing Navitas Semiconductor stock, it's a decent demand, and only if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it further up. So how this looks like is actually very sick. I made a video when it was at $5 expecting a 50% increase in price, which by the way is not a small amount. And guess what has happened? Here's like the literal proof. It was 508, aiming for like 750. Not only did we reach like 750, bro, we reached 9, 10, almost 100%. Therefore, moving forward, I'm just like literally a double break away from buying even more, right? So only if I see this shit happening, only then I'm looking to take it further up. That's that. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules. And guess what? There is not a lack of coverage with NVTS in my Discord. I have like 33 results in here. There is not lack of coverage. So if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. This has been refined over 5 years. You get it for like literally in hours. Goodbye.